Hi, I'm Bradley Willis, an Automation and Software Product Sales Specialist at Rutico. I'm here today to introduce the Softing tManager module, available as an in-chassis module for Rockwell Compact Logics and Control Logics PLCs. The Softing tManager modules are used to connect PLCs, including Rockwell's Compact Logics, Control Logics, Micro Logics and SLC 500 ranges, as well as Siemens and Modbus TCP based PLCs, to databases, including Microsoft SQL, MySQL, Oracle, etc. MQTT functionality is also available for connection to cloud-based databases such as Microsoft Azure and AWS. I have a Softing tManager module for Control Logics here, and you can see this fits into a Control Logics rack, just like other Control Logics modules from Rockwell and technology partners. The Softing tManager module can speak to PLCs across the backplane, via any communication modules in the backplane, including Ethernet IP, DeviceNet and ControlNet modules, and also via the Ethernet ports built into the Softing tManager module itself. A single module can be used to connect multiple PLCs to multiple databases. There are no limits on the number of tags transacted. Module status can be read via add-on profile, and an email can be sent out in the event of loss of database connectivity. Store and forward is built into the module. Connections can be read-only or read-write, so the module is suitable for data logging, recipe handling, and other applications where database connectivity is required. The module's simple to set up using free software. No PLC code edits are required. The configuration is drag and drop, and we'll be releasing a separate video showing this very simple setup in action, and we'll link to that video below. Aside from the databases themselves, there's no IT management of the system required. The Softing tManager module does not require OS updates, antivirus updates, firmware patching in the way that other Windows systems do. This could be ideal for OEMs who need to provide database connectivity on their machines but would like to avoid the use of PCs or other IT systems on their machines that do require this ongoing cybersecurity maintenance. So to summarise, the Softing tManager module connects PLCs to databases with no tag limits. Read-only and read-write connections can be sub-second, suitable for data logging and recipe handling applications, as well as applications requiring cloud connectivity via MQTT. This in-chassis module mitigates cybersecurity concerns that can come with IT-based solutions. And the configuration software is free and very easy to use. So if you'd like to discuss the Softing tManager module in more detail, and/or discuss your application for PLC to database connectivity, please do get in touch with us at Rutico via your usual local contact or by using the details on the screen or the link in the description. Thanks for watching.